Today I'm going to go ahead and repair this Pioneer head unit for our car radio. It's the DEH-9450MP. The right switch here hasn't been working, so I've gone ahead and removed it. I reached out to Pioneer Australia and ordered some parts. They've still got these spare parts, so that is awesome. Thank you, Pioneer Australia, for still stocking them so I can repair these units. So here we go. That is the switch. We'll go ahead and use this MiniWare MHP50 hot plate. It has an aluminium plate here, and I'll use that to heat up the board and reflow the switch back on. So these are all the front parts of each switch. It's important to remember exactly where every single piece goes. If they ever pop out, this is what it looks like when it's all together. Here is the switch that I've removed. A little bit hot. I'm going to go ahead and heat up this part here. I'll try to avoid those components. Just heat up the edge. So I'll put a bit of solder paste on it. Give it a go. So I've got a little bit of solder paste here. Here's the component. So I'll put that switch on just there. Sort of tap it on. There we go. Okay, so just press the A button to go to T3, which is 220 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to go ahead and line this up. You could use a clamp to hold it in place too. So let's turn the temperature up a little bit. 240 would be good. All right, here we go. All right, it's on. Let's go and test it out. All right, here's the moment of truth. It's on. Turn this off so you can see. Demo mode. What have we got? Next. AM. So we've got side to side, up and down. It is working. Nice. Cool. Thanks Pioneer Australia for having the parts.